the cat.
Or was it? Okay, yeah, it was.
The lights turned off. I was headed to electrical to do a task. I walked in and turned the lights on. I watched you go back there with him, and then you suddenly vanished.
The whole time and not me.
It was actually Naxian. He's lying. Totally.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
I'm so convincing.
So, cat. Oh.
That was the shortest round ever.
Why is there a giant cat?
Watch me do the garbage.
No. Okay.
Never
So I can
mind.
confirm that Teeth and Nyaxian are innocent. I saw them both do trash.
Guys, me. Well, me.
Alright.
Just don't think about it.
Why you gotta kill me when I'm scanning?
Oh my god, he keeps on putting that up. Seriously, fine.
You got this. Nice job.
It was right in front of everybody and nobody saw it.
Let me hear it. Talk about it.
That's not a location.
Yes. Yes.
That's true.
How do I explain it? Okay, so like 3 of us was in storage, I don't know who. The big transformer, and I think Mars or whatever you call your name, her. Yeah, she was there in storage. It was like right there in the bottom. They both saw it, I think.
Who do you think it is?
It was,
I'm
like,
not
right
the
there
only
in the
one.
bottom. Nobody saw it. It was like a trash one.
Nix and I went together from security to admin.
There's trash
and I
cans
was running
everywhere. Where's the
back
body?
to security.
I was busy fueling because I had.
No. The thing is that you
2,
like.
1, fuck.
No. I tried voting up with Grandpa.
One person voted.
That was... Wow.
I